It's a good trade to learn. There's a lot of money in the business, and it's just something that I just like doing. I've enjoyed it.
It's mostly practical, and like at the end of the lesson we'll do some paperwork, but the majority is practical because then you just learn stuff quicker, I think. Well, I learn like that quicker. It suits me better.
I just like doing practical things. I don't like sitting on computers and writing. I like being hands-on.
Mostly learned from doing the actual trade, which is the best bit about it. But it's not an easy thing. You look at it and you think it's easy, but learning how to get the right thickness onto the wall, how to flatten it off, how to put the boards up, casting, moulding, all that sort of stuff.
The tutors are amazing. Honestly, Steve has helped me so much in plastering. He's such a good tutor.
It's a good course to come on to. It's really enjoyable, and the teachers get along with you more than you would at school and stuff like that. It's not treating you like a kid, and it's just a lot better.